Living in a vibrant, active area has its advantages, but constant noise can quickly affect comfort at home. Traffic, nearby businesses, public transit, and neighborhood activity can all make it difficult to relax, work, or sleep. For homeowners in Baltimore, choosing windows with sound-reducing design features is one of the most effective ways to create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment without sacrificing natural light or style. Why standard windows often fall short? Many older windows were designed primarily for basic ventilation and light, not noise control. Single-pane glass, loose frames, and worn seals allow sound waves to travel easily into the home. Even small gaps around a window can let in surprising amounts of noise. In busy Baltimore neighborhoods, these weaknesses can make indoor spaces feel loud and stressful, especially in rooms facing streets or high-traffic areas. Multi-pane glass for noise reduction. One of the most important sound-reducing features in modern windows is multi-pane glass. Double or triple pane windows create multiple barriers that sound must pass through, significantly reducing noise transmission. Some designs use panes of different thicknesses, which disrupt sound waves more effectively than identical layers. For Baltimore homeowners, multi-pane glass can dramatically lower the volume of traffic and street noise inside the home. Insulated glass that absorbs sound between the panes of glass in sound-reducing windows is an insulating layer that helps absorb vibrations. This layer not only improves energy efficiency but also dampens sound before it reaches the interior. In Baltimore homes, insulated glass helps create quieter living spaces while also improving indoor comfort. Tight seals that block sound leaks. Even the best glass won't reduce noise effectively if air gaps are present. Sound travels easily through openings around window frames. High-quality sound-reducing windows are designed with precision weatherstripping and tight seals that close these gaps. For Baltimore homeowners, proper sealing is essential for keeping unwanted noise outside and maintaining a calm indoor environment. Durable frames that limit vibration. Window frames play a major role in sound control. Rigid, well-constructed frames help reduce vibration caused by passing vehicles or nearby activity. Frames that flex or shift can amplify sound rather than block it. In busy Baltimore areas, sturdy window frames contribute to a noticeable reduction in indoor noise levels. Thoughtful window design and placement. Window size and placement also influence noise levels. Larger windows or windows facing busy streets tend to let in more sound. Sound-reducing designs can be tailored to specific rooms, using enhanced glass or smaller openings where noise is most intense. Baltimore homeowners often focus on bedrooms, living rooms, and home offices to achieve the greatest comfort improvement. Professional installation makes a difference. Sound-reducing features only work when windows are installed correctly. Poor installation can leave gaps, misalignment, or weak points that allow sound to bypass the window entirely. Professional installation ensures windows fit securely, seals are intact, and all sound-reducing features perform as intended. For Baltimore homeowners, this step is critical for achieving real noise reduction. Added benefits beyond sound control. Sound-reducing windows also improve energy efficiency, reduce drafts, and enhance indoor comfort. By blocking outside noise and stabilizing indoor temperatures, they create a more enjoyable living environment overall. In Baltimore homes, these benefits make sound-reducing windows a smart, multi-purpose upgrade. A quieter home in busy Baltimore neighborhoods. Noise doesn't have to be part of everyday life at home. With the right sound-reducing window design features, such as multi-pane glass, tight seals, durable frames, and professional installation, homeowners can significantly reduce outside noise. For those living in busy Baltimore neighborhoods, sound-reducing windows offer a practical and lasting solution for creating a quieter, more comfortable place to call home.